Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. Name of the lesson is 10 Natural Law of Success. By the name we can make out that in this chapter we are going to do how following simple rules can lead us to success. This success can be in your study. This success can be in your work that you do. Can be in maintaining things. Okay, this success can also be in having proper relationship with others. Okay, maintaining a balanced relationship, maintaining a proper relationship with others. Clear, children? So here the author is talking about natural law. Children, what do you mean by natural law? Children, natural law means which is governed by God, which is governed by nature. Okay? It is the meaning of natural law. Something which is governed by law, something which is governed by natural law. Okay? Something which is given to us by God. That is the meaning of natural. Or that is the meaning of natural or God-made law. Clear, children? These things he is saying because he has his own experience, and based on his own experience he is telling us all these things. Clear? This author name is Helen W. Smith. Okay, children? He was born on 16 October 1943 in USA, that is United States of America, and he died on 18 November 2019. He has also started his company known as Franklin Conveyance. In that, he used to recruit people who can go and work in another firm. Okay, so he has established a recruitment agency. When he was starting the business, when he was starting this work, he got a lot of negative view from the people. He said that it is not a very good idea to establish such type of enterprise. Because people used to believe that if you want a job, if someone wants a job, then they will directly go to the company. Why they will come to a recruitment agency and then they will go? But then he has proved everyone wrong, and he has set up this industry, and after that the sky is the limit. He grew so well and he started giving speeches on success. Okay, based on the personal experience. Now, in the beginning, the poet is in the beginning, the writer is saying that natural law are the fundamental basic principle law that we follow in our day-to-day life. For example, the gravity, the nature of life, the nature of environment, clear, and simple things like day after night. Okay, after sunset there is a sunrise. All these things are natural law, and this is being described to make a life a better and a wonderful thing. How can we use these things and make a life? And these are opposite, and the things that is described over here are just the opposite how we think and how we wish they were. Now when we will take a deeper look at the nature thing and we will study how it works, then it will come just the opposite way how we think, how we analyze a thing, and what exactly the things are. Clear? These are the two different things that is given over here. And it is being said that each and everything over here is governed by nature, is managed by nature. We are only doing certain things, but these things are managed by nature. Okay? These things are not managed by us. These things are managed by the nature. Okay, children? They help us to gain. They help us to gain our ultimate goal. And they, time to time, nature also make us aware of things, of our wishes, which is all around us. Clear, children? Okay, then moving ahead, he is saying about law 1. Okay, he is saying about the first law of success. Now, children, what is the first law of success according to you? He is giving us first law over here, and that first law is controlling your life, by controlling your time. So the first thing that he is saying that we should be controlling. Okay, children. Now there are many things that we need to control in our life, and most important thing is we need to control our time. This is the most important thing that we need to do. Okay, is to control our time, utilize our time in a proper way, in a proper manner, that we do not face any problem. Okay, controlling our time means controlling and managing our time in such a problem that doing all the work, then also we will be having some time left for our recreation. Clear, children? Now we should manage time. For you all, you should manage time in such a manner that you have time to rest, you have time to study, you have time for recreating yourself, you have time for your hobby. Okay, then you should also have time to go out. Clear? Either for an outing, for a walk, for cycling. Clear? For some outdoor activity. And then also there should be time for, there should be proper time left for interaction with your parents, with your friends, with your cousin, and with your brother and sister. Clear, children? So you should manage your time in such a manner that you should be able to do all these work in a day. And by controlling time, if you will control time, then what will happen, children? Your lives will be controlled. Okay? And controlling our times mean controlling the events in your life. Okay? Controlling your time means controlling the events that is going to happen in your life. Even means the day-to-day things, the day-to-day routine, the day-to-day things that keeps on going in our life. That is the meaning of controlling of our time, means controlling of our lives. Clear, children? And when you start controlling your time, you will not be thinking about time management. Okay, children? Today one of the basic things that we feel, that we suffer is time management. Time management is managing your time in such a manner that you are able to do more and more quality work. Okay, children? That is the meaning of time management. And start thinking, even watch. And you need to start thinking events that you can do, that you can control, that you can manage. Okay? And you can do lot of work in the given or in the limited time that everyone has. Okay, children? And it also says that sometimes it is too difficult to get time to work, to play and for other things. But once you started managing, once you started the management of time, then 90% of the problem will be solved. And you need to think in a very positive manner about this. Means most of the time we think that time management has something to do with our watch. This time management has something to do with our watch. But children, it is not like this. Time management has not anything to do with our watch. It is how we manage our time. If we have set a goal that morning, by early morning we will be completing all our work. So we should be ready to complete all our basic work during this much time. Okay? And after completing all our work by 9 o'clock, okay, or by 8 o'clock, then we should sit and start studying. Clear? Then we should take a break, then do the revision. Okay? Then again get back to studies, then again take a break and then do other activities. Clear, children? So it is not important that it is a time restricted process. It is a process that how quickly and how concentratingly we are doing work. If we will concentrate in doing our work, then we don't need a watch. Then we only need a set plan in our mind. What we need then? We need a plan Okay, so this is how this thing we need to manage. Watch is only going to tell us it is 8 p.m., it is 9 p.m., it is 10, it is 12, clear? But how to manage our time and how to look for it, this is we only are going to look for it, clear? And such events over have no control. Means the things that we do over here is not in control of anything. Clear? We can utilize this hour in doing only one work, or we can utilize this hour in doing many work. Clear, children? Then the real issue is that how can we control? So we can control by focusing on the event of our life which is making all the difference. So how we can control these things? We can only control these things when we will focus only on one basic thing. Clear, children? And we will be doing only that basic thing. Okay? So now over here, I am going to explain the same thing to you in Hindi. 10 natural law of success. कोई जो कवि है, जो लेसन के ऑथर है, राइटर है, वो यहाँ पर बोलते हैं कि ऐसे क्या 10 लॉ हैं नेचर के, हमारे जो एनवायरनमेंट है उसके क्या नेचुरल लॉ हैं जिसके द्वारा हम सक्सेस की तरफ बढ़ सकते हैं. तो पहले तो हम जानेंगे कि ये लिखा है बर्रम जर्डू स्मिथ ने. इनका जन्म हुआ था 16 अक्टूबर 1943 यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में. इनकी मृत्यु हुई थी 18 नवंबर 2019 में. ओके, देन जो पहला नेचुरल लॉ ये बता रहे हैं वो है हम किस तरह से अपनी चीजों को कंट्रोल करें. तो सबसे पहले हमें कंट्रोल करना चाहिए टाइम को, समय को, क्योंकि बच्चों समय ही एक ऐसी चीज है, एक हमारे पास एक ऐसी पूंजी है जो हमको रोज मिलती है. रोज हमको 12 से 13 घंटे दिन के इस तरह के मिलते हैं जिसमें हम बहुत सारा कंस्ट्रक्टिव काम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर हम सवेरे 8-9 बजे तक भी उठते हैं, उसके बाद हम अपना काम शुरू करते हैं, तो भी हमारे पास 12 से 13 घंटे अंधेरे होने से पहले सफिशिएंट रहते हैं कि हम अपना सब काम प्रॉपर तरीके से कर लें. ठीक है, इसके लिए हमें क्या सबसे ज्यादा चीज की जरूरत है, एक तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट की और दूसरा है कंट्रोलिंग की. अगर हम एक बहुत ज्यादा अनुशासित होकर इस चीज को पालन करें, इस चीज को समझें, इस चीज को फॉलो करें, तो हमारे पास बहुत सी अच्छी पॉजिटिव चीजें आ जाएंगी. ठीक है बच्चों, जैसे अब हम जिस तरीके से टाइम मैनेजमेंट की हम बात करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि हम किस तरीके से टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं. हम सबसे पहले तो अपने इवेंट्स को कंट्रोल करें, जो भी हमारे पास आसपास जो भी गतिविधियां हो रही हैं उनको अच्छे से कंट्रोल करें. उसके बाद जो हमारे पास टाइम है हम उसको इस तरीके से डिवाइड करें कि हम अपनी दिनचर्या को एक प्रॉपर, एक बेनिफिशियल वे में कर सकें. जो जो काम हमने सोचे हैं उस काम को उसी क्रम में अच्छे से कर सकें. ओके बच्चों, दूसरा ये हमको बोलता है कि अगर हम अपने समय को कंट्रोल करते हैं तो हमारी जो लाइफ है, हमारी जो जिंदगी है वो आसानी से कंट्रोल हो जाएगी. उसके साथ साथ ये भी कहते हैं कि हमें फिर टाइम मैनेजमेंट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. जैसे कई लोग बोलते हैं ना कि हम टाइम नहीं मैनेज कर पाते हैं, तो हमारे लिए टाइम मैनेजमेंट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी अगर हम एक बार इस चीज को अच्छे से समझ लें और इस चीज का अच्छे से पालन कर लें. एक घड़ी जो है वो सिर्फ एक समय दिखाने का साधन है. एक घड़ी से हम समय ही जान सकते हैं, मगर उस समय को किस तरह से यूटिलाइज करना है, किस तरीके से हम इस 1 घंटे को भी एफिशिएंट बना सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें हमारे ऊपर है. ठीक है बच्चों, हम ये कैसे कर सकते हैं, हमें एक फिक्स शेड्यूल बनाना चाहिए. हमें एक फिक्स शेड्यूल बनाना चाहिए जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमें काम करना चाहिए, और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम काम करेंगे तो हमें सक्सेस जरूर मिलेगी. ठीक है बच्चों, ऊपर से हम ये सारी चीजें भी देखेंगे कि जब हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट करते हैं तो हमारी लाइफ भी कंट्रोल रहती है. हमारे आजू बाजू की जो एनवायरनमेंट है, हमारे आजू बाजू की जो चीज है, वो सारी चीजें भी बहुत नियमित चलती हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि सबसे पहले ये हो जाता है कि हम खुद भी एक ऑर्गेनाइज व्यक्ति हैं. हम एक ऑर्गेनाइज व्यक्ति की तरह उभर कर बाहर आते हैं, और एक ऑर्गेनाइज व्यक्ति के आजू बाजू का जो अरोमा रहता है, ऑरा रहता है, वो भी उस तरीके से उभर के बाहर आता है. ठीक है बच्चों, इसलिए हमारी लाइफ में टाइम मैनेजमेंट का बहुत महत्व है. टाइम मैनेजमेंट हम किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, जब हम अपनी चीजों को मैनेज करके एक नियम अनुसार स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके उन्हें आगे हम बढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों, सबसे पहले तो ये क्या करती है, हमें अपने लाइफ पे कंट्रोल करना सिखाता है टाइम मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम जो चीजें नहीं इम्पोर्टेंट है, हम उनके बारे में सोचना कम करते हैं या बंद करते हैं, ठीक है। और कई चीजें तो ऐसी होती हैं कि जो हमें करनी ही पड़ती है एक बार हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट के बाउंड्री में आ जाए, ठीक है बच्चों। इस तरह से एक बार हमारा टाइम मैनेजमेंट फिक्स हो जाए, उसके बाद हम बाकी सारी चीजें भी प्लान वाइज और स्टेप बाय स्टेप कर सकते हैं। क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे, इसमें 10 लॉ ऑफ नेचर है। ये पहला लॉ ऑफ नेचर था, वो था कंट्रोलिंग। हम किस तरीके से किसी चीज को कंट्रोल करते हैं, किसी चीज पे काबू पाते हैं, किसी चीज को अच्छे से प्रॉपरली मैनेज करते हैं। ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू सो मच। अब आप लोग अपना अपना काम कंप्लीट करिए और उसकी वीडियोस बना के मुझे भेजिए, ठीक है बच्चों। जो जो वर्क आपने किया है उसकी आप मुझे वीडियोस बना के भेजिए, ठीक है बच्चों। थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ नाइस डे।